I'm so excited. My box from Simple Stories, I'm on their Carpe Diem team. It came and I've got all these things. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you all of these fantastic products. Hi, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate, and I'm really excited to show you all these fun planner things from Carpe Diem. Okay, sorry. Alright, so this is sort of general planner stuff. So we'll start with that. It's so fun. These are clear tabs. It's hard to see with the plastic, but they're just clear plastic tabs that you can put over this book of tabs and other things like ring, I don't know what they call it, like ring hole covers. I don't know. They're really pretty. But anyway, so that way you can put them on and sort of protect them. And then I just flipped through a little too fast. And you've got all the little labels for the tabs as well. These are really fun. They are stickers for each month. You can see there's quite a few sheets in here, and each little calendar is a sticker. This is actually from the Good Vibes, line, but it's all little tiny planner stickers, and they're so pretty. And look, you've got all those little words and labels and boxes and decorations, those coffee cups and those flowers. I'm dying. They're so pretty. Sorry, I'm getting a little excited. And then these are just like a year's worth of stickers, like dates, special dates, and like little icons and things. Very general. You can use them anywhere and anywhere. Did I say anywhere and anywhere? Anywhere and everywhere in your planner. This, I think, is one of my favorites. They're numbers. Oh, it's stuck. I did open it, but it's different styles of numbers. So you get circles and little tiny circles, and then different colors, and then big old circles. And then these ones are just individual numbers, and they're actually like, if you look closely, say the 14, for example, one is attached to the 4, so you don't have to line them up. They're already lined up for you. And then you have little flags. I think the flags are my favorite. And now it's stuck, of course. These colors. This is my favorite page. All right, next. Or more like basic stickers. So you've got some labels and some flags and some words, little boxes, circles, more flags, little places you can write, icons and things. So fun. And then these are neat if you have an A5, because it's hard to see. It has the shape of a divider and the tabs. So you've got one tab up here, one tab here, and one tab here. So all you do is trace it onto your paper and punch it, and you're good to go. Fantastic. I love these washies, not only because they're super pretty, but because they're so versatile, and you can use them, if you can hold on to them, you can use them across all of the, I can't. There's dots, there's butterflies. We'll just do them one by one. And then these are really like watercolor splotchies with some little dots, and then these watercolor splotchies too. So I love that the colors are sort of uniform, and you can use them anywhere with pretty much any line, almost. So let's start with this. I just have a few things from Bloom. So I already have the little mini sticky note, so I got the bigger ones this time. And they also have, like, can you see? Yeah, you have the punches. If you have an A5, you can put them in there. I think my smaller one, I don't know where it is, but I think it fits in the smaller planner. So then we have the mini sticker tablet, and this is like the one before, but different colors. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm so excited to dive in and get using these. And then this is the same thing, but it's the bigger version. So this is like the personal size, and this is the A5. And you can use, of course, any of them in your TNs, or you can use the A5s in your personal. There's no reason that you can't mix and match. So that's the Bloom collection. Next up is Bliss. So with Bliss, I have the paper pack. So in the paper pack, you get these stickers, and then one of each of these sheets. And they're so pretty. And you know what? I like this. Like, I really like this collection online, but when I got it here, I just couldn't stop staring at how pretty it is. Like, look at this little watering can and that butterfly. There's also these cardstock stickers, which will make great clips. There's a whole pack of die cuts. There's what each of them look like. And then this pack, there's 8 pages of stickers. There's all the designs. And I'm so excited for this line. It's so pretty and delicate and feminine. Next up is I Am. And when I was looking at the lines online, this was my favorite. But now that I have them all in my hand, I can't pick a favorite. I really can't. They're all so pretty. So you get this pack of A5 paper, so you can just make dashboards right away. 6x8, I guess. They're 6x8, so you can really make dashboards quick and simply. Then you also get this pack of die cuts. These stickers, there's all the designs. These rose gold clear stickers, and there's other ones. Oh, I don't think I realized that. So you have these clear ones, and then, or black ones, and then these colored ones. They're all clear. Oh, I really like those. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then these chipboard ones, great for, I like them for clips. God, I can't talk. And then the sticker and paper packs. You get all these stickers. And then on the back, these are all the paper. So each one of those is 12 by 12. Can you see them all? Yeah, so pretty. Oh, and there's not one, you know, when you get a paper pack, there's always one or two that you don't really love. Sometimes you don't even like them. I love all of these. I do. I honestly do. All right, and then another one that I absolutely adore, before I show you my planner, is Crafty Girl. Oh, so fun. They have so many cute little things. Like, look at this little measuring tape and the sewing machine. So there's all the designs in that one. And the colors. They're just so happy and fun. Look at all these things. There's a little planner. And the glue gun and a stack of washi. Like, come on. You cannot get any cuter than that. And this, there's another 6x8 paper pads. I'll do a little flip. They're upside down. I should flip them this way. That one's not. It's just my imagination. Some of them are upside down, and some of them are right side up. Well, we'll just do a quick flip. She was right side up. So pretty. I love the little girls. There they are again. This is the chipboard. So I might make a chipboard of a clip of one of the girls or the sewing machine. I think maybe I need like a sewing planner. Might be an idea. I'm always looking for ideas. An excuse, probably more so than an idea to start a new planner. So those are all the stickers. There's some more down there. And then, oh, this one doesn't have the, well, let's just open it. I think there's less. I think there's only 6. If I can get it open. And then I will show you the TN that I got. Okay. So there's the stickers. Oh, look at the floral. Like, come on. So pretty. And then happy colorful plaid. There's the girlies again. The florals. I'm dying. These are the same papers as in these are all in that 6x8 pad. God, I can't think today. Buttons. Of course you need buttons if you're going to be crafty. I love these. I have too much washi. Said no one ever. Right? Perfect. So cute. It's a little scrapbook, sewing machine, around, fun little stuff. Love it. And some 4x6 cards too. And that matches the washi. Yeah, super cool. All right, ready for the planner? I'll just move this out of the way for a second. Oh. So I already have the one with the flowers on it. So I got this one. I'm going to open it with you. And then I have the inserts. And I already have these inserts. These are from the Bloom collection. But they're pretty much full. So I got a few more. And this one actually has one insert in it. So that gives me 3. Ready? Oh, I can't wait to set up these pockets. I think that's the first thing I'm going to do. And then just get black elastic and a place for a notebook in the back and a pocket there. And this cute little polka dot one all ready to be decorated. So now that I've showed you everything that I got in my box, I'm going to show you my absolute favorites. So let's start with this washi. I love black and white washi, and it's just so versatile. You can use it anywhere. And of course I love polka dots, and I love that they're not lined up. They're kind of random polka dots. Really fun. Then there's this specific sheet of clear. It's either clear, but I just used the white so you can see. Clear stickers, especially that little bird. I love those. And these are the ones that came in this pack. Remember, I was surprised when I found that. Yeah, so I love those. Then there's specifically this page in this book, the little tiny numbers in the flags. This sheet from the Bliss pack, this sheet in particular, because it has really nice sayings like choose joy, happy little moments, and rise and shine, follow your heart. They're just really nice. Then this whole book of tabs and labels, just so fun. Like, I'm always looking for a tab, and then I end up making one or choosing one that I don't like, but a whole book, can't go wrong. Then this actual whole pack of stickers from the I Am collection. Oh, so pretty. Then this dinky little book of the mini stickers from the Good Vibes. Just so cute and teeny and pretty. The colors are amazing. Then the florals, not only from the Crafty Girl. Of course, I'm flipping through and I can't find them. There's one, there's another. Like, oh, that's so pretty. But also, where did I put it now? Also the florals in the I Am collection. They're just so gorgeous. So florals for the win. And then also from the Crafty Girl collection, it's the little stacks of washi. There's this one, the die cut, and then in the sticker page, these ones. So you can see they're not even the same washis. So aren't they fun? Oh, love it. And then of course, my traveler's notebook. So I'm going to set this up pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, if you made it this far, give me a big thumbs up and tell me your favorite product that you've seen in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and have a fantastic day. Happy planning.